The bald eagle is the only eagle solely native to North America, and the national bird of the United States. It signifies strength, and most of the images you see are of the female of the species, which are bigger than the males. You may think you're familiar with the cry of a bald eagle, symbolizing American patriotism. After all, you've watched television and movies. You've seen them sweep across the screen while making that mighty call. But here's the deal. If you were to look up the bird making that sound in real life, you wouldn't see a bald eagle. In fact, Hollywood often dub over a bald eagle's call with the scream of a smaller bird, the red-tailed hawk. Unfortunately for the bald eagle, it has a cackling type of a laugh that's not very impressive for the bird. Let's compare and listen to the sound of the bald eagle and the red-tailed hawk. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.